Connecting external data sources, databases, APIs, documents. Welcome to this session on connecting external data sources to Retrieval-Augmented Generation (RAG) pipelines. In this module, we'll explore how to seamlessly integrate data from databases, APIs, and document repositories into your RAG system. This step is crucial for enhancing the accuracy and breadth of the generated content by providing models with access to up-to-date and relevant information. By the end of this session, you'll have a clear understanding of how to link external data sources to retrieval systems and dynamically feed this information into generative models. Let's get started. Why connect external data sources? Generative models are powerful, but their knowledge is frozen at the point of training. Connecting external data sources allows AI systems to stay current and relevant by fetching the latest information during the generation process. This is particularly useful for industries like finance, healthcare, and legal services, where real-time information is critical. By pulling data from external sources, RAG models can dynamically retrieve documents, structured data, and API outputs, enhancing the relevance and accuracy of generated content. Step 1. Accessing document repositories. One of the simplest ways to integrate external data is through document repositories. Let's walk through how to index and retrieve documents from local or cloud-based repositories. Connecting to databases. Databases store structured data that can be queried and retrieved for RAG pipelines. We'll use SQL Alchemy to query relational databases. Once retrieved, the data can be indexed and processed similarly to document repositories. Step 3. Accessing APIs for real-time data. APIs provide real-time access to data. This is essential for keeping models updated with the latest information. Let's walk through querying a REST API and feeding the results into the RAG pipeline. The retrieved data can then be indexed using FACE or other vector databases to enable efficient similarity searches. Step 4. Indexing and retrieval. Now that we have data from various sources, the next step is to index it for retrieval, to retrieve relevant data during the generation process. Step 5. Integrating with generative models. Once data is retrieved, pass it to a generative model for synthesis. Testing and validation. Test the pipeline with different queries to validate retrieval accuracy. Use APIs that provide high-quality, structured data. Monitor retrieval quality to avoid low-relevance documents being passed to the generative model. Real-world example. Imagine building a legal AI assistant that queries legal databases, fetches case law from APIs, and retrieves related contracts from document repositories. By integrating these diverse sources, the assistant can provide comprehensive legal analysis and summaries. Closing. Connecting external data sources to RAG pipelines unlocks real-time dynamic content generation. By accessing document repositories, databases, and APIs, you can enhance the quality and relevance of AI outputs. Thank you for joining this session. In the next module, we'll explore how to optimize data retrieval and improve model efficiency. See you there.